How to add indicator. Are you expecting issue to add indicator on PrimeXBT? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To add indicator on PrimeXBT, first of all, open PrimeXBT on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now you'll be forwarded to this interface where you'll be able to view your chart. Now just simply look at the top of your screen where you can see this option for indicators. Tap on indicators. After click on it, tap on source bar and search for indicators. If you want to add MA moving average, then just simply search for it and select the option moving average. The selected indicator will be added on your chart. That's it guys. That's how we're going to add indicator on PrimeXBT. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.